Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to upgrade your seats with Condor Airlines. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch a Condor Airlines account, which of course I have done right here. Now, how do you create an account on Condor? Launch in the browser of your choice and locate the search bar. In the search bar of your browser, type condor.com/US and it's going to take you to the official website. In there, check the top right corner of your screen, you're going to find the My Condor tab. Click on that and flow through the on-screen prompt to create your account. After signing in successfully, it's going to take you to this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in Condor. Now, how do you upgrade your seats with Condor? So over here, you're going to have to click on My Booking at the top corner of the screen. That's flight preparation, fly and enjoy, get inspired, My Booking. So click on My Booking. It's going to take you to the My Booking window. Okay. So over here in the My Booking tab, check the right corner. You're going to have to log in. So enter your booking number or your check-in reference number, the date of your outbound flight, the passenger surname. So once you do that, I'm going to show you. Once you do that, it's going to take you to a window where you can now be able to upgrade your booking. So here's what you're going to see. So log into My Booking just like we did, enter your information, and during the online check-in, that's when you're checking in online. So once you head over to the My Booking and fill out your details, it's going to take you to a page where you can now check in. So during the online check-in, starting 24 hours prior to departure, you still have the opportunity to enhance your travel experience by selecting premium economy class or business class if seats are still available. So once you head over to that window and you fill out all of those details, it's going to take you to your check-in page. So in here, you can choose premium economy class or business class if the seats are still available. So last minute upgrade. If seats are available, upgrade directly at the airport or on board. So you can even use the contact service center. So our dedicated colleagues are available to 24/7 to assist you with booking a higher travel class and ensure a seamless process. So you should note that upgrade options are available on Condor DE flights to elevate your travel experiences. So should your journey include connecting flights operated by any of our partner airlines, please explore our rebooking feature and ascend to a higher class. So that's pretty much the process. Just fill out all of this details, click on continue, and when you're checking in, you'll be able to select a higher or upgraded version of seat if the seats are available. So this is pretty much the process. You can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.